Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Pulit ga East Khasi Hills hene ga sngi ki la Pynkup Burom kerpang ki Pulit Tnad kali ki bra Shitom bat yeng hasurok prakanta ha uslap ka sngi bat klem ka jingknyum ha police reserve jail road. Habakran ha ga sngi na kalyang USP ka East Khasi Hills district uba Vivek SM ulaong ba ka sien jam ba USP traffic ulale ban Pynkup Burom ya ki Pulit traffic bat ki home guard ki badan Bynta ban Tnad kalong ke AKA ke ba Aiman CM ki weipat. Uba Vivek ulaong bagi traffic ila tre kakam ka bae bha manla uway po uway uba sakut kali ki kran ya ki Pulit Tnad kali ki mat shibun ki jing shakran laga de hakinong nya kali ki pat ba ka jingma ka baki bu yala de ban pet baki pat ba ki la ban yat bat ban pentep shaki way baka don ka kali kit nongpang ka baki hab ban pelat ka kam ka baki le ka long hadu kata kata USP ulaong ru ba usngo thu hadu katno ki officer ki badan duty ban Tnad kali ki mat ki don ru ki breu ki batim batala ki don ki breu ki bakam ki de ki breu jong uta ki jing e ki de hadu kata kata wat hapding kat ni ki jing e ki mat handrei pitre ya ka kam klem jing salia ulaong ula benrap ru da ka boong pide ka dor bapau jong ki Pulit ka jala Meghalaya ki Pulit jong ka East Khasi Hills lingba ki kam ki ba pitre ulaong ba ka Tnad ka don ringkat bat phi hakikam ke ba phile na benta ka imlang ka salang ula kentu ya baro banyeng scam haba ki pentrei kam ya ki kindon bat ki an ke bede ba ka jing Tnad kali ula ai khubleru ya uba sambor lang ding do bat uba Anthony nongklau ki ba na kapor cha kapor ki juran ringkat bat ka Tnad ha ki benta baro bat lada ki pat ba ka jila ki wan shakmat bane trilang bat ki Pulit shibun ki jing e la ban weng la ka de ha ka jing tingkho kali ne ki we ki jing e ki bede bat ka yat ka yeng jong ki pat ba.
Next is HC Nansing Ahmad. HC Nansing Ahmad.
In our work culture, these are the values which we are insisting for everyone to follow. So I wish this keeps going. And there is this quote by Winston Churchill which I always remember. We make our life by what we give. So I thank all of you for all the services which you have rendered. And I want you all to keep doing the same. And with regard to two of our special amenities, thank you both of you for your unbound support to Shitom Traffic Police. You have been with us, you have given all your support, and I request you to please continue the same and give us the support which you always give.
Felicitated you will serve as an inspiration for others as well, for all our other personnel from traffic and other homeguard volunteers who are working with East Khasi Hills Traffic Police. So I wish and pray that you do your best and give your best in your duties daily. I know it's hard. I know you are the ones who are suffering the most, whether rain or shine. You have to be on the roads. We thank you. We appreciate your service, and I wish you all the very best. And may God bless you. Thank you.
Member of the Light Hyderabad is also the bottom of afterward. But I think not now, is a the outset, I would like to first thank SC Traffic actually for initiating this whole thing. We all, actually I must apologize to all the traffic officers and personnel. Sometimes in our routine duties, like everybody else, we take the traffic for granted. And we expect traffic to be there in the morning, we expect traffic personnel to be there in the day, we expect traffic personnel to be in the evening. And I'm telling you, the most talked about topic today is traffic. Everybody who gets stuck in a traffic snarl is talking about traffic. Everybody is coming up with ideas, everybody is either complaining, but the main topic everywhere, because a person has to get from point A to point B. So the first topic when you go anywhere, where there's any birthday celebration or somebody has died, the first topic they will talk is about traffic. But the sad thing is everybody takes traffic personnel for granted, me included. And I would like to thank SP Traffic for initiating this felicitation for our heroes who actually brave the sun, the rain, the heat from the public, the heat from the drivers, the risk you put yourselves when you actually instill discipline in drivers, in regulating traffic, in making sure that vehicles move, in making sure that you communicate to the other points that yes, we have an ambulance going, we need to clear this, we have somebody who needs to get an emergency. You are multitasking, you are thinking, you are stopping, you are moving your vehicles, you are holding a set, you are communicating. And you are braving many hazards of smoke, dust, rain. It is no joke to stand there for 8 hours. There was one boy which we had sent some years back, we had sent for social work because he had run over one of our police drivers' feet. And his mother, because he's a very adamant boy, she had agreed to actually send him for traffic duty as social work. And only 2 days he could manage. After that he said, no, I don't want to do traffic work anymore. It is really, really hard. And now I understand what a traffic officer or traffic constable has to deal with on the road. Some adamant drivers, some people who would abuse you, who would rebuke, some people who would drop names, some people who would say, I am so and so, these rules don't apply to me. The challenges are many for you. So many challenges. But yet you brave all these challenges with cool mind. People used to ask me, these traffic people, I wonder how they do it, what is the mantra behind a traffic personnel? They have to face so many conditions, of natural conditions, and the pollution, and the people they have to deal with. How do they deal with that when they go home? How do they deal with these stress levels? The mantra is your composure. You are firm but polite. And I'm telling you, you are the face of the Midland police. You are the face of East Khasi police. People know you first. Before coming to the Thana, they interact with the people on the road first. I know of a little child in Silanwitz, I remember, who's 5 years old, and that child is so impressed with the traffic personnel who deal out there. Like Ninja, he's always there at once. And he has told his mother that he wants to be a traffic officer, to look after traffic. Why? Because you all have become role models. You facilitate children, women, parents to cross the road. You stop vehicles. he finds you are a hero. And yes, you are a hero to many. That's why we've called you to appreciate all of you all and to congratulate you all all the good work done. Keep it up. We are behind you. We will stand firm by you in all the work you do to ensure that our roads are safe. That we ensure that vehicles move, that people get from point A to point B. If you are not there, you can imagine the kind of chaos which will be there. So your role is very, very critical. Please keep your good health. Please keep your mental health intact. And please remember to be polite. The public will always appreciate you for politeness. But at the same time, be firm when you enforce traffic rules. My special appreciation to our friends here also, Basam and Ba Tuni, which I think we call Ba Tuni. And both of them actually have also been very proactive in helping the police. They are our good Samaritans who have come out and really taken that extra step forward to ensure that there is road discipline, that people don't drive rashly, people don't come with their bikes and make a lot of noise, people don't block the road. And they have come out, and it has made a big difference when responsible citizens like them come out and help the police. They and their friends and the locality members they bring in has made a lot of difference in our nakas. And I am grateful to you all, both of you all. We extend our gratitude and congratulate you all also for actually. Once we have drivers who are disciplined, we will have less accidents. We will have less people dying, less fatalities, less casualties. We will have safer roads. And with the number of vehicles coming into our roads now, especially with tourism movement and all that, your responsibility is at an all-time high. So once again, I'd like to thank all of you. Keep up the good work. East Kashmir is very proud of us.